everybody. Today I wanted to go over with you the updates that I made to the daily screenshot automation that I created for Robinhood about a year ago. So here's the old video that I have regarding the Robinhood automation and how I set it up to um, take a daily screenshot. So if you want to go see and watch the original, go to the link down below. But today I wanted to go over the new automation that I have regarding this particular daily screenshot. So let's get started. I'm going to close out Safari. And the first thing I want to show you is how to this launches and what happens when it launches. So I'm gonna hit the trigger for it. What I have is caps lock 7. There we go. There it goes. It launches the Robinhood webpage, and then there's a pause, and it takes the screenshot. Then it brings up a command to name it. OK is tapped, and then there's another pause, and that's it. Once this screenshot is taken, the Hazel rule takes care of the file and puts it where it's needed. I have a specific Hazel rule that takes care of that file, and this is the Hazel rule right here. I open this Hazel, and as you can see, it shows if the file name contains Robinhood underscore, move that file to this particular file that I have on my system or the iCloud drive or wherever it is. Anyway, let's go over this particular keyboard Maestro automation and see what it does. I'm gonna hide that for now, and let's take a look at the Robinhood automation. Okay, let's get started. So here I have an Apple script to open the target URL, which would be robinhood.com. If the tab is already open, it says to move the Safari tab to this particular tab, the one set to robinhood.com. And then it pauses for 11 seconds and waits till the actions are done. And then CleanShot X has a URL scheme that you can use to capture full screenshots of the entire screen. And this is what that is right here. Now, here it pauses 5 seconds, and this action here didn't work because the text expander snippet does not work for me currently, so this is disabled. But I do have Keyboard Maestro insert by typing, and it inserts the term Robinhood along with the date and an underscore in between. So I have that, and that actually can be fixed. I think we can remove the space right here. So that works, and then there's a pause, and then it simulates the keystroke, which is just, if we go here and hit the plus to add an action. You can type keystroke. And the type of keystroke is this action right here. And then that's hits return to OK the name that was added up here. And then from here, there's another pause. And then it hits Command W to close the Robinhood window. There needs to be another action right here. And that will be activate Safari. So I'm going to add a activate. Activate a specific application. I'm going to drag it right here. And I'm going to say activate Safari. So now, and if already at the front, leave it at the front. So since Safari will be active, it will know to close the Safari window. And that will keep the, then bring the file here. It'll be on the desktop. And as you guys saw before, Hazel takes care of the screenshot file that's left on the desktop. And that's how this automation has been updated. The only update really from the last video you saw at the very beginning is how Hazel, or not Hazel, rather, it's CleanShot X that runs the screen capture instead of Annotate. Annotate is no longer being updated, and it's no longer on my new Mac Studio. So, and I prefer using CleanShot X for all my screenshots now. But that's for a future video. Anyway, this is how the daily screenshots for my Robinhood account are taken. All right, guys. With that, that's all I have for you today. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. And if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who might find it interesting and useful. And I'll see you all in the next video.